So we have 6 core values: respect, integrity, humility, teamwork, innovation, and drive. They're all considered equals. And we often say we're really in the people business, and to get that right, we've got to get our folks rallied around the core values.
Those are not just words. Those are pillars or foundations of not what we do, but how we do it. Our core values impacts everything we do every day.
Love the atmosphere, the culture, the growth opportunities, and the family that builds all around it. I mean, the people that work here and work together really make this place what it is, and love coming to work every day, and that's what it's all about.
It's a pretty wide range of things we produce here, and that's what I love about it is, understanding all the different processes and getting into the detail and working with the people around us, like the planning team and the operations team.
After 26 years of working here, I can honestly say I'm still learning things all the time. I'm an engineer by training, so that breeds my natural curiosity. But we get into so many different situations with so many different people, and I think that's pretty cool.
I work on process, improving the process to make my job easier. They trust me to get the job done.
My favorite thing about working at New Standard is the people, my co-workers.
The people, the management.
I love that this company is very family-oriented and our constant drive for continuous improvement.
It's a great place to work, a lot of opportunity, and it's a company that cares about its employees.
Some of the things we do here for employees at New Standard is very family-oriented. We do Easter egg hunts for the kids at Easter time, and at Christmas we have a Santa Claus. We have a couple associates that have the great big white beard, so we have them do a Christmas party for the kids. And we've done a lot of barbecues and box lunches before all the holidays, and really try to promote and celebrate with our employees.
In one word, New Standard, a family.
Family-oriented.
Family.
Family.
Engaged.
Open-minded.
Poised. Committed.
Exhilarating.
Enthusiasm.
To make money.